Hey guys, you're welcome to another video. It's been a while. So in this video, I'm going to show you different ways you can practice your major scale. These different ways will help you to have multiple options on ground each time you're playing the major scale, so that you don't just play your major scale like... It's not every time you have to do that. There are times that you can just, go outside the box and... Yeah, so let's dive right into the video. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you subscribe and follow for more content. So the first option I'm going to teach you is playing your major scales using legato pattern. What does this legato mean? It means you're picking, ideally if I'm going to pick my major scale, I'm going to go down, 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 down. You're going to hear those individual picking notes like tang, 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 tang. But as we're trying to sound more advanced, we don't want that every time. So there are times that you can sound... It helps you to sound very, very fluent and reduces the workload on your hand. So what I'm doing is I'm picking do, then I'm hammering on my re. So instead of picking twice, so I'm going right. So then on the other string, I'm picking just once. So I sing. Ideally, I would have picked 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm going. Right? So if I go to the next string, so if I go, so altogether, if I was to play my major scale, picking everything, I would have gone tang, 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 4, 5, 6, 7. I would have picked more and I would have done more work. But the essence of this technique is to help you to play less notes and play more with your left hand. So very easy, right? Yeah, so if you have any questions regarding this technique, let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, the next one is making use of patterns. So one of these patterns is, you heard me playing it earlier. I went do, mi, da, 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 da. What am I doing? I'm playing intervals simply. For do, I'm doing do, mi. For re, I'm doing re, fa. For mi, I'm doing mi, so. For fa, fa, la. For so, so, ti. For la, la, do. For ti, ti, re. And for do, do, mi. So I'm going do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do, mi. Are you seeing? So do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Instead of this, I'm going do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, ti, re, do, mi. So this is called your third interval, major third interval. And there's your fifth interval. So instead of doing do, mi, I'm doing do, so. I can use this to practice. Do, so, re, la, mi, ti, fa, do, so, re, la, mi, ti, fa, do, so. Right? Does that make sense? So sometimes there are chord progressions that are playing. You must not even play the full chord. So for example, the do is playing. I can play only do and so. So I'm just playing only these two notes, this fifth interval. Fa, la, mi, so, re, fa, do. So this is your fifth interval, yeah? And now there's another thing called pattern, right? So playing my major scale using, like I'm counting the notes. So instead of doing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, I can count 3 notes and play each individual note of the scale. What do I mean? I mean, I can go 1, 2, 3, right? I started from do, remember, do, re, mi. Then I can go to the next note, which is re, mi, fa. That's 1, 2, 3, right? Then I can go the next one, mi. So 1, 2, 3, then fa, 1, 2, 3, then so, 1, 2, 3, then la, 1, 2, 3, then ti, 1, 2, 3. Right? Then do, re, mi. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me start again. do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Right? Does that make sense? You can increase the notes. Instead of 3 3, you can go 4 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So what am I doing? Sorry, I'm going fast. I'm going do, re, mi, fa, then re, mi, fa, sol, then fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, ti, do, re, ti, do, re, mi, do, re, mi. Do you understand? So you can choose to pick any notes, like any number of notes, right? Yeah, so that's how you can spice up your major scale to make you sound like, a bit more cool, right? I've created a lot of videos around this major scale, so make sure you check them out. And I have not created videos in a while. I've been really busy, so yeah, but I think I'm back. I hope I'm back. So if you're watching this video, if you watch to this point, it means you have understood the video. So just say a word like, let's say fire or something, so that I'm sure that you have gotten to this point of the video. Yeah, so if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching to this point, and see you in the next one.